Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use unstoppable crypto wallet with hardware wallets. Launch the unstoppable crypto wallet on your device and log in using your credential. Now, connect your hardware wallet, for example, Ledger or Trezor, to your computer or mobile device. Make sure it is powered on and unlocked. If using a mobile device, you may need a compatible OTG on-the-go adapter. On the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet, tap on the menu icon or settings icon, usually on the top left corner of your screen. Look for the option labeled Connect Hardware Wallet or Add Hardware Wallet. Tap on this option. Select the type of hardware wallet you are using from the list provided. The app will provide prompts to guide you through the connection process. Follow the instructions displayed on your device and the hardware wallet screen. You may need to confirm the connection on a hardware wallet. This often involves navigating to a specific application or confirming a message on the device. Once connected, you will be able to view and manage your asset stored on a hardware wallet directly through the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. You can send, receive, and interact with your asset as needed. After you are finished using the hardware wallet, you can disconnect it from the device for security purposes. We have now successfully used Unstoppable Crypto Wallet with your hardware wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.